Thank you for watching another video. To the topic lab design and architecture. We will discuss the lab design and architecture for Apache Guacamole. Now, in the term, the remote access and management well designed lab environment service as a functional and exploitation tools like that Apache Guacamole. A thoughtfully lab provide a control space for learning, mastering art and or remote connectivity. Why lab design matter? Why need lab design actually? A structured lab design is essential for the server reason. It's allowed to your simulated real world scenario without effective production system. Test various configuration and troubleshoot issue, control setting. Actually, lab uh, design a good understanding for this. What the complement of Guacamole lab? You know, at first element of hardware requirement, hardware setup, virtual platform, operating system, network setup, then second things, tracker. Actually, we see the a slide. At first, its architecture overall Apache Guacamole lab like that HTML5 browser. Guacamole server, it's a container like that Guacamole guard, that connection remote desktop like that client RDP, VNC and others like that SSAs. I want to I want to add paint tool in our lab. At first, we set up our host machine Windows PC, Windows 11, then set up VMware, VMware set up a CentOS, CentOS 7. It's the main architecture of virtualization lab. The second things, I install CentOS Docker. Then to Docker in the Docker install Guacamole server. And I want to try establish a another species like that a server Apache Guacamole. Its connection depend on RDP like that. It's a Linux machine. The connection established. I want to try connect establish SSAs and try another PC. That means it's a browser based PC. You know already trying to HTML5 browser based PC. Then I have a connection for 3 or 80. There's the HTTP connection. Then the PC browser based access. It's the main goal. You see the presentation, all PC, other PC connection, the guard, Apache Guacamole, then to is a browser base. The it's a main architecture. Actually, I want to summary. At first, our host PC is a Windows PC. Then to install a VMware workstation. VMware workstation in set up the CentOS. CentOS set up the Docker. Then Docker set up the Apache Guacamole server. Then other PC control. Actually, it's the main architecture. So thank you again watching the practical part